Aloha from Honolulu, where we're under a tsunami watch. You can't see, it's too dark. That's the Ala Moana beach, or not, Ala Moana Mall right here. Behind it, you can't see, is the beach.
Ocean.
Yeah, the ocean. And this is downtown over here. Is that way. Actually, that's perfectly downtown. And then that would be the mountains, all the way over there.
We're 1 block out of the evacuation zone.
Expect my mother to be calling soon.
It's so eerie.
It is eerie. There's definitely less, oh, someone's driving with a tractor. I wonder what they're going.